Hey, how you doing? This is Ed from South Carolina. Getting ready to take my Slingshot over to where I bought it at Jack's to have the Alpha variable electrical variable mufflers and the 1320 header put on. So I'm going to take a little spin. It's not very loud, as we know. It's a stock. I want it to be a little louder. I'm hoping when I get this thing on from slingmods tomorrow that the be a lot louder, sound like more like a motorcycle. Okay, I just picked it up. I got that 1320 performance header put on, as well as the Alpha variable electronic variable muffler. So it sounds a lot better so far. I'm going to run around the block here with you and let you hear the difference between A mode and B mode. But just putting that on, it's a little louder than stock already. All right. I'm going to start going around the block. I'm going to start this thing up. It's going to be in A mode. And then get it up to about 30 mile an hour, switch it to B mode, be able to tell the difference on this exhaust versus the custom, or not custom, but the standard exhaust. So here I am in A mode. And then, as you know, there's a sweet spot in between A and B that you can adjust. I just got to figure that where I want it exactly. All right, A mode, here we go. All right, now I'm going to switch it into B mode. Tell the difference. Difference versus A and B mode, definite over stock. So I'm happy with this purchase so far. Once I figure out my sweet spot, I'll be ready to go. So I'll be Big Ed signing off. Enjoy.